What's going on, drivers? It's Jay Rich back again with another one, and today we're talking about triangles. Yay, triangles! Because some of you missed Triangle Day in trucking school, apparently. Either that or they don't teach this stuff anymore. But let's get into it. Before we do, hit that subscribe right there. On your way out, go ahead and give me a like. Much appreciated. So, first tip of triangles. There's instructions on the triangle. Imagine that. Second tip, these turn so that they stand up. They don't stand up so well when you don't turn it. Yeah, it's not that hard. Come on. Let's go. I'm going to show you some wrong ways of doing it, then I'll show you the right way to do it. Stay with me. Now, forgive me for this not being to scale, but you should get the idea. This is wrong. This is also wrong. This, wrong again. Yep, you guessed it. Still wrong. Ooh, now we're getting closer, but it's still wrong. And yes, that's a hammer holding that one up. Oh, looky here, the wind blew this one over. And yes, that's an adjustable wrench somewhat holding that up. That's why they turn, so they stand up. That's why they turn. Look at this. Still wrong. Now, this is the proper way. Once again, not to scale. I'm utilizing the area that I have to make this. But your first triangle is at the edge of the tractor, about 10 feet back. The next one in the center, 100 feet back. The next one on the passenger side, 200 feet back. That's the proper way to set the triangles up. You don't need hammers and wrenches holding them up because the base should turn. If the base does not turn, they don't snap together. You tell your dispatcher, your maintenance person, whoever, you need a new set of triangles. End of story, period. You got to have this stuff, and it needs to work properly. Now, once you're done with your triangles, where do they go? Back in the box is where they go. And they go just like this. This one's upside down, this one's right side up, this one's upside down. Why does it go like that? Because the box is wider at the top than it is at the bottom. I see so many people, they just throw the triangles back in because they can't figure out how to get them back in the box. They go back in the same way you took them out. 2 upside down, 1 upside right. Close the box. That way they're not rolling around in the cab, under your bunk, moving crap around. It's not a safety hazard, and they don't get broke if they're in the box. All right, guys, there you have it. That's triangles, man. I really appreciate y'all watching. And like I said, I hate to be like that, but if you can't figure out triangles, this ain't for you. I mean, it's just triangles. They're pieces of plastic. If you can't figure those out, what are you doing hauling this? I don't know. I give up. But, you know, it's got to be said apparently because I guess nobody ever told you. So that's why I'm here, right? Anywho, love you guys. I really appreciate you watching. Like I said, subscribe, watch my playlist, and yeah, give it a like. Very much appreciated. So y'all have a good day, good weekend. Keep your knees in the breeze and the shiny side up. We'll be seeing you.